Hey YouTube, I hope you're all doing well. Today we're making lemon pepper wings. Let's start by preparing our wings. So these were whole wings. What I'm doing here, I'm just separating them into flats and drums. There's a fatty bit on the drums that I don't really like, so I always tend to cut it off. I mean, it's just a personal preference, it's not a must. You'll find that when you look on the wing, sometimes it's not really cleaned properly. You have some feathers on there like this, so all I'm going to do is just burn them off. Now you don't use your hands to do these, guys. Just put the wing in like a pair of tongs or something, but me, I'm so used to this now, it's just like second-hand nature. But yeah, as you can see, you know, once you do that, the feathers will just literally singe off. Now when you look at your wings properly, you'll see also sometimes there is some feathers left back inside of the wing. I do just like to go in and pick them out. You're probably not going to get all of it, but the visible bits, yeah, I'm definitely going to do that. Now once I've cleaned my wings, I'm going to go ahead now and season them. All I'm using here is chicken seasoning and lemon pepper seasoning. Now this is about a kilo of wings, so I went in with 1.5 tablespoons of my chicken seasoning and about 1 tablespoon of my lemon pepper seasoning. I'm gonna add some oil and, you know, just give this a good mix. Now I left this to marinate overnight. You don't have to, but for maximum taste, I do recommend marinating it for at least a minimum of 2 hours. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't yet subscribed, you can go ahead and watch a few of my videos. If you like my content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, go and big up yourself. Now when it's time to fry your wings, I have here a cup of plain flour, a cup of cornstarch, and about 1.5 teaspoons of my chicken seasoning. Give that a good mix. I am going to separate the flats and the drums during the cooking process because they do cook at different times. Get your wings in your flour, give it a good squeeze, really get in there, get that coating on there. I did have a hole in my bag, so hence why it looks a little bit, you know, like I'm scared of it, but that wasn't the case. You want to shake off the excess flour of the chicken, just give it a good tap and then start adding it to your heated oil. Now I, like to go in with a sprinkle of flour just to test the oil. If I see really furious bubbles, then I know that my oil is ready. Now for the flats, I did fry them for about between 9 to 11 minutes and the drums for about 12 to 14 minutes. But it all depends on the size of your chicken. Now I kind of judge when the chicken's ready by the, as you can see, the bubbles in the oil have kind of decreased a lot. So when the chicken starts to flow a little bit, I know that it's done. So now I'm just going to remove those, put them on a wire rack and go ahead and start frying my drums. To make the lemon pepper sauce, you need butter, some sugar, dried parsley, mixed peppercorns and lemon. I do like to put my chicken on a wire rack because then, it allows the oil to drain. Also, if I'm frying a big batch of chicken, I do like to go in and, strain off the residue from the flour that sits in the bottom of the pot, because then sometimes you notice if you're frying chicken and there's too much of the flour left in the bottom of the pan, your chicken will start having that burnt look and I don't really like it. Now to make the sauce, I went in first with the juice of the lemon. I'm gonna add, crack a few, little bit of black pepper, well, not a little bit of my peppercorns, a lot of my peppercorns because it's a lemon pepper chicken. Go in with my sugar and also my parsley flakes, and I'm just going to slowly start adding in my butter. At this point, you want to keep your flame relatively low because then you don't want the butter to start browning. After this time, you can, wings ready, butter ready, just pour it all over your chicken, or if you want to just brush it on your chicken, it's entirely up to you. But yeah, just give it a good toss, guys. This is actually one of my favorite wings. I actually love lemon pepper wings. There's just something about it that like just so nice. Like, look at that, just so good. I mean, you don't have to add so much pepper, and you can add more pepper if you want. Just make it your own. I did serve this up with some ranch sauce, and baby, just look at those wings, crispy, juicy. That lemon pepper sauce is just it's actually it. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And also, if you're able to, just go ahead and share my video. Now, I gotta give you a bite. Come on, open your mouth. Look at that. It tastes good, don't it? It's so nice. Like, yeah. Just showing you now that, one bite, chicken bone clean. Yes, I'm dipping again. It's me one eating it, so I can do the double dip thing. Now, if you share with people, no matter with the double dipping thing, not everybody like that. See, that bone just comes away clean. A chicken a left on it. We say eat chicken around here, pull out the bone and ting. Guys, don't listen to me. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.